If you're getting a file access error on the Epic Games Launcher, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as fast as possible. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most of the time it's caused by a stuck launcher process, a corrupted cache, or a game file that just needs to be verified. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is completely restart the Epic Games Launcher. And I don't just mean close the window, I mean make sure it is fully shut down in the background too. To do that, open Task Manager on Windows, then look for any Epic Games processes that are still running. You may see Epic Games Launcher, Epic Web Helper, or other related background processes. End every Epic process you find. This step matters because if the launcher is still running in the background, it can keep the file locked and trigger the access error again when you try to launch the game. Once all Epic processes are closed, reopen the launcher and check if the error is gone. If it still shows up, the next step is to clear the launcher cache. The cache can become corrupted over time, and when that happens, the launcher may struggle to read or write files properly. To clear it, you'll need to find the Webcache folder inside the Epic Games Launcher data directory and delete it. This does not remove your games, and it is a safe troubleshooting step. After deleting the Webcache folder, launch Epic Games Launcher again and let it rebuild the cache from scratch. If the file access error is still appearing, the next thing to try is verifying your game files. This is one of the most useful fixes because sometimes a single missing or damaged file is all it takes to stop the game from launching correctly. Open your Epic Games library, find the game that is giving you trouble, click the three dots next to it, and choose Verify. Epic will scan the installed files and automatically repair anything that's missing or corrupted. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. Now, if none of those steps work, there is one more option you can try. Reinstall the game or even reinstall the Epic Games Launcher itself. This is usually the last resort, but it can solve deeper issues that cache clearing and file verification cannot fix. If the error only affects one game, start by reinstalling that specific game. If multiple games are affected or the launcher itself seems broken, a full launcher reinstall may be the better option. Before reinstalling, make sure you know where your game files are stored so you don't accidentally lose data you want to keep. To quickly recap, the main fixes are fully restart Epic Games Launcher, close all Epic processes in Task Manager, delete the Webcache folder, verify the game files, and reinstall the game or launcher if the issue continues. In most cases, one of those steps will clear the file access error and get everything working again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.